Come test drive the 2024 Accord Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid is a thrusty mid-range punch, about 600 miles on a tank full, comfy space for 5. A hushed voice. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, Bluetooth, heads-up display, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.